Hello students, today we are going to see the topic lean manufacturing. I am Professor Kalidas to handle the session for you. So lean is a concept which allows the improvement of a production process. So it eliminates all the waste that is occurring in a production process. In Japanese it's called Muda. So it eliminates all the waste that is occurring in a production, which leads to the reduction in the transit time of a material by the process. So initially, the Toyota production system has introduced this lean manufacturing in their production setting. So what are the types of waste that is there in the industry? So the term lean means if you reduce all the waste, the process will become lean. So it will not be overloaded. So the idea is to reduce the waste. So what are the types of waste? One is overproduction, the production of products in advance and in greater quantities than required by the customer. Second one is inventory, keeping more materials and raw materials, work in progress and finished products than the required minimum. So it involves the waiting time for the product to be delivered to the customer, delivered to the next cell, delivered to the next machine. So it involves cost and time. So it's a waste. Then mistakes and quality defects, work that is not completed with positive results. So dimensionally or with respect to the product structure, again some defects may be there. Then waiting, the time lost due to the expectations of the people, material, information or tool, which does not add value to the manufacturing process. If the previous process is not completed on time, then obviously the next process is going to wait till the previous process gets completed. Not with respect to only the process, even for the materials, even for the tools. So any waiting is going to be a waste. Then over processing. So unnecessary time for the implementation of customer demand. It is using your technologies without justification. Then unnecessary transport of materials, products inside your industry. Then the labor's movement, either from one place to other, or as we have studied the work study, rubrics, etc., any unnecessary movement can be considered as a waste. So what are the tools and methods of lean manufacturing? So one is value stream mapping. So it is the graphical way of presenting the material and information flow inside a production system. So by mapping all the tasks, we can find out where is the waste is. So from starting to end, we are going to analyze. We are going to find out the waste. Then 5 years concept. It is the basis for implementation of lean manufacturing. So this 5 years indicates from Japanese words like Seiri, Seiton, Seiso, Seiketsu, Shitsuke. The meanings is like sorting. So if you are able to keep all the tools in a particular place as per the sequence, then obviously you can reduce a lot of wastage. Then systematic way of working without any doubts in mind. So that will reduce the waste. Then cleaning. Keeping your environment clean will avoid the accidents. Keeping the machine clean will improve the performance of the machine. So even cleaning is a variable for waste. Then standardization. Standardizing a particular process or a methodology. Then discipline. The discipline of a worker to do that particular job. These all the 5 criteria will reduce the waste. Then single minute exchange of die. So this method allows for shortening of timing. So it means in a day, only one time that work has to be done. Say for example, In a CNC machine, in the morning we are going to do a program and we are going to keep it till evening. We are going to do the same thing, and in the next morning only we are going to change the. So we are not going to program intermediately because it creates a lot of time wastage. So single minute exchange of it. Then standardization of the work. Then total productive maintenance, TPM. So it is way of integrating all the people for maintaining the production community in a continuous manner. Then Kanban, it's a production control methodology based on the control mechanism and the events without worrying about the schedules and all that. So it concentrates on the event, not on the schedules. So this lecture we have seen about the concepts of lean manufacturing and the tools for lean manufacturing. Thank you.